Okay, guys, I was gonna just clean up and do something else, but when I saw all this paint, you know, it's I'm not gonna waste it, so I'm not gonna throw it out. That is really ridiculous if you throw all that paint out. So what I'm gonna do is just scrape some up and slowly try not to, you know, move it too much because then it goes all icky. I'm just going to put that together. Well, let's give it one swipe with a nice dark color. Let's try that. So I'm going to put some dark blue on the end. I'm going to clean off my palette knife. Ooh, I like those colors. Now let's see if we can get some cells. Ooh, nice, nice, nice. Wow, those are some really tight cells. Can you see that? How beautiful they are up here? That is really pretty. I think I can make something out of that. There you have the bigger ones. And as you can see, in the middle of those big ones are little cells. Kind of like that too. So we're going to just let this rest for a bit. And now I'd really like a swipe like that, because I loved how that blue came over it, but I want some other colors in there too. So I'm gonna first put down a base with the waste paint. Just see what happens. There it is. And I know you guys like to watch me play with the paint, so that's a win-win. We don't throw away the paint, and you get to see me play with it. So what I'm looking for is some color, like what I'm putting on now. I'd like a whole bunch of different colored cells, but all based on these 4 colors. So I'm going to put some of that on there. Okay, I'm going to come in with the light blue. The light blue there. And then we're going to put that blue down here. Nice little tight line. Then we're going to clean off the palette knife, and then we're going to see what we're going to get. Ooh, that might be really pretty, this bit here. Yep. And they're growing. They're pretty much growing. Now I'm going to try and make them a little bit bigger. Look at those. They are beautiful. Can you imagine, you know, having one of those really pretty pendants with these colors? I'm just seeing how far I can stretch them, because this stays pretty much the same shape even though I'm stretching. And I'm going to leave it like this. Don't play too much with it. You know, I'm pretty happy with what's happening here, what's happening down here. So just 2 pendants out of this, that's more than enough. We're going to keep it. And I'm not sure if you see what's happening, but the colors are sort of coming up, like they're, even after the fact, they're sort of mixing in with the other colors, because now I have much more shades than in the beginning. If you go back, you know, with the little slider under this video, you can slide back and forth. You can see what's happening here, and I'm sort of liking what's happening there. Okay, guys, one close up. That's pretty. I think we have room for one more, so I'm going to scrape that all up. I should have taped this to the table because it's sliding a little bit. Oops, don't fall on the table. Let's swipe that down here. Oh, even that might be really pretty too. Let's just do something to it. Now, as you can see, the lighter the paint is on your paper or canvas or whatever, the less contrast you have in your cells. So it's pretty much a given that you have to have at least a contrast color. So we're going to put that on there. I'm going to double swipe just because I like the I like those colors so much. Triple swipe. Okay, got that clean. Now I'm going to come over it, come down and go back up. Wow, look at those colors. These are really beautiful cells. Look at, I'm not sure if you can really get in so close. Let's see. Yeah. See the rings around the rings? That is really pretty, isn't it? This one I'm going to keep too. Oops, let's get you in focus here. There you go. That is really pretty. Okay guys, enough of that. I might do another one later this afternoon, I'm not sure, but we've pretty much used what was on the table. So thanks all for watching. See you in the next one.